We got a Zooma GoPad. So I believe the guy said, I seen him driving down the street. I was making a deal. I went to go do a deal on something else, and some guy was riding it, right? He was riding down the street, and he's like, next block, next house down. So he was like, he said, hey man, he yelled, he's right. We just seen him right past, right? And he goes, hey man, you guys want to buy a GoPad? We're like, how much? He was like, $30. I'm tired of this damn thing. We're like, what's wrong with it? He's like, so I don't know. I probably put the cardboard wrong. So turned out I looked at it and stuff. I just looked at it, you know. From what I looked at it, it started running everything, but it didn't want to move. It just, as he had a bolt right here, which that little nut over there, and that one, he had split in between two wires to pull onto the gas cable. Look, I'll show you. He had it like that, but it wouldn't pull it because it was complicated right here the way he had it. He's like a bike cable on here. So I'm gonna order a new cable tonight actually, right now. Get a new gas cable with the new lever. Get some grips, better grips, and maybe see. There's some new gas lines. Yeah, gas lines work, but they rigged those on some old ones. So I'll get some gas line, throttle. And I might get some paint too to make it look a little nicer. Get it running, and we'll show it running after, if we could get it running. Let me know if you guys want pretty much you all want me to work on it at the same time. I can work on it, do a video of that. If not, I'm gonna post it up when it's running. So, and it's possible if I get enough likes and subscribes, I might do a giveaway. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe to the channel. This is Smoke Zone 223 on the Zooma GoPad.